Okay, it's time for number 284, a walnut and pistachio mini 5-string. This walnut is a nice light brown color. It comes from one town over, retired furniture maker. Then, pistachio for the fretboard and head plate. It's tuned open C, like a 5-string banjo capoed at the 5th fret. For the walnut rim, I was able to put several colors of walnut, kind of a patchwork shape for the rim. I really like how it turned out. I get asked a lot why I put the foam behind the head. If I play for my camera without the foam here, it actually clips out, it distorts the microphone, because these instruments are loud but beautiful. So putting this foam back here just cuts some of the overtones. And some people just like the tone better when they keep it there. Depends on the playing situation for me. Yeah, it's ready to go. This one's going to England for Richard. Richard asked for a flat fretboard. I have been doing these with radius fretboards because I make all my ukuleles with radius fretboards. But my big 5-strings I do flat fretboards because that's just what's traditional. So when Richard asked for flat on this little guy, it didn't seem to be a problem, and I don't mind it either way. Maybe if we'll switch the mini 5-string to being flat standard, so it's more familiar to banjo players, and do radius if somebody asks for it. So, okay, number 284, ready to go.